In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a single file from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know 2 quick, reliable ways to grab a file to your computer, plus a few tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one or you're on a shared computer. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders. You can browse through My Drive, check the Recent section if you opened the file lately, or use the search bar at the top to find it by name or type. Take a moment to confirm you've selected exactly the file you want, so you don't end up downloading the wrong thing. Now for the first method, click the file to open it. This loads a preview so you can double check you've got the right item. When the preview is open, look in the upper right corner of the window for the download icon. It typically looks like a downward arrow. Click that and the download will start right away. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save the file, or it may save automatically to your default downloads folder. Keep an eye on your browser's download tray to watch progress, especially for larger files. While it's downloading, avoid closing the tab or shutting your laptop lid until it completes. The second method is even faster if you don't need to preview. From your main drive view, find the file, right-click on it, and select Download. That's it. The same browser behavior applies. You may be prompted to choose a location, or it will go straight to your Downloads folder. This method is great when you already know the file is correct and just want to get it on your device quickly. If you don't see the download option, or it's grayed out, it often means you don't have permission to download that file. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access, or contact the file's owner to request the right permissions. Also, if your browser blocks downloads or pop-ups, you may need to allow them for Google Drive so the file can save properly. To recap, locate the file, either open it and click the download icon in the top right, or right-click the file and choose Download. Both methods accomplish the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural for you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice with a test file to get comfortable before downloading something important.